Hello my dear little ones. Welcome back to our EVS class. Dear children, did you write your exams well? Okay, very good. Are you ready for our today's class? Okay, so now we are discussing the C part of our first chapter, that is health, good habits. And we studied the topics like the good habits we must follow to keep our teeth, eyes, nose, ears and skin clean and healthy. Did you study all the topics well? Okay, so now you know about the good habits we must follow to keep our body clean and healthy, right? Okay, shall we start our today's class? In your textbook of page number 12, we can see a boy. What is his name? Yes, his name is Ravi, and like you, he is also studying in second standard. So let's see the good habits he would follow in his daily life. He gets up early in the morning. Dear children, what will you do after you getting up from your bed in the morning? Yes, you will wash your face with water, right? So here Ravi washes his eyes and face with cold water, and he brushes his teeth and clean his tongue. Then he went for bathing. What we have to use while bathing? Yes, we have to use a good soap, otherwise bad smell emits from our body. After bathing, we have to wear washed clothes. So here Ravi wears washed clothes after bathing, and he also wears shoes. After eating breakfast, Ravi went to school, right? He returns to home and plays with his friends in the evening. Then he had a bath. Dear children, remember that we have to take a bath before going to school and after returning home. So we have to bath twice a day, that is in the morning and in the evening. Okay, then what Ravi is doing at night? Yes, he does his homework and studies for some time at night. Then after taking supper, he brushes his teeth again and then go to bed. Okay, my dear children, did you understand? So these are the daily activities of Ravi. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about some good habits we must follow to keep our body healthy. First, we have to cut our nails and remove the dust collected in the nails. We have to take bath daily. Use toilets to urinate or to excrete. Here, the meaning of excrete is removing waste from our body. So, do not use public places to urinate or to excrete. We should wash our hands and feet with soap after using the toilet. We should sit erectly in a chair. It is not good to bend sidewards or forward. We should maintain erect posture while standing and walking. So my dear children, if we follow all these good habits, we can lead a healthy life. Health is our wealth, so we should always maintain our health very carefully. My dear little ones, shall we read the points given in your textbook? Okay. He is Ravi. He is studying second standard. He gets up early in the morning. He brushes teeth and cleans tongue He washes eyes and face with cool water. He uses a soap to take a bath. He combs hair neatly. He wears washed clothes. He wears shoes or sandals and goes to school. He plays in the evening. He takes a bath again in the evening. He does his homework and studies for some time. At night, he writes and reads under bright lighting. After taking supper, he brushes his teeth again. Then he goes to bed early at night. To remove dust collected in nails, he cuts short his nails. He takes a head bath regularly. We should not use public places to urinate or to excrete. Toilets should be used for that purpose. We should wash hands and feet after using toilet. We should sit erectly in a chair such that our back should touch the chair completely. It is not good to bend sidewards or forward. We should maintain erect posture while standing or walking. We should balance our weight equally on two legs when we stand. If we follow all these habits, we can lead our lives happily. Health is wealth. My dear children, I hope you all understand our today's topic well. So we finished the C part, that means health, good habits of our first chapter, our body. My dear children, all of you should read your textbook. Okay? It's time for winding up our today's class. See you in the next video. Thank you.